Hello, little artists. Welcome back to Zoonitoons, where we turn our favorite cartoon moments into amazing drawings and colorful fun. Today, we're going on a super exciting PAW Patrol adventure with two of your favorite pups, Chase riding his cycle and Skye flying in the sky. Let's get started with Chase. First, I drew Chase riding his cool police cycle. I started with his cute face and floppy ears, added his safety helmet, and made sure he looked happy and focused. Then I drew the cycle, with strong wheels, handlebars, and his police badge on the front. It looked like Chase was zooming into action. Now it was time to color Chase. I gave him his classic dark blue police uniform with light blue stripes and shiny silver buttons. For the cycle, I used bold blue and black colors with silver for the handles and wheels. His helmet matched perfectly in blue. He looked ready for any mission. Now it's time for Skye. I drew Skye flying in the air. She's wearing her goggles. Her pup pack is open and her wings are out wide. I drew her up in the clouds with her paws stretched like she's gliding through the sky. She looked brave, cheerful, and free, just the way we all love her. Then I began to color Skye. I used soft golden brown for her fur and pink for her helmet and uniform. Her pup pack wings got a light gray with pink edges, and I added soft blue and white to show the clouds around her. She looked like she was soaring high above Adventure Bay. It was so much fun drawing and coloring this amazing scene. Chase riding his cycle below and Skye flying high above him. Two heroes on their own missions working as a team. Now it's your turn, little artists. Grab your crayons, pencils, or markers and let's draw and color together. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Zoonitoons for more fun and creative adventures every week. Let's zoom and fly. Only on Zoonitoons.